I have the Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to format the SD card inside the camera. So simply launch the Mi Home app and then open the camera that has the SD card you want to format, and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner, then select Manage Storage, and then tap on SD card status, and then you should see your SD card status. So here you have the option to format SD card, so tap on that, and then it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to format, and this is you're going to lose everything, so tap OK to confirm, and that is going to format and erase everything on your SD card. So just give it a couple of moments. So this helps to erase the contents and also put the SD card in a file system that's usable with the camera in case it's not. So once it's done, you'll just go back to the normal page and you have successfully formatted the SD card in your Xiaomi C500 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.